Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this question. So we have 5 raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 2. So what is the answer? Without pressing a calculator. So solution, we have 5 raised to power 2 minus 4 all raised to power 2. Now, if we were to solve it the normal way, in which you will do, instead of 5 squared, it will become 5 times 5, then you write down the answer, and then you subtract minus, then you also do 4 squared, so you do 4 times 4, then you write down the answer, then you subtract the answer, and that becomes the final answer. Now looking at this method is a very tedious method to multiply 5 times 5, then it's a very hectic method. But here is a simpler way in which you can solve this question. Okay, so we have it as, here we have 5 squared minus 4 squared. Now looking at this, what we have is difference of two squares, and if you have difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, and in this case the value of a is equal to 5, while the value of b is equal to 4. So expanding this, we are going to have it as, okay, in brackets, a is 5, so 5, then minus b is 4, so 4, then all multiplied by a, 5, plus b, 4. Okay, now the next thing is for us to open the bracket. So 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, then 5 minus 4 is 1, then 1 and 1, then multiplied by 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so with this, okay, the next thing for us to do is to multiply 1 with 9. But we can actually break this down in the sense that we can write it as 1 multiplied by, this will become 1 multiplied by 9. If you multiply this by 9, you will get 9. So with this, looking at this, we can say, okay, 1 times 1 is same thing as 1 squared, right? Then times 9, and 9 is equal to 3 squared, right? So in the place of 9, we'll bring in 3 squared, so that equals 1 squared, then times 3 squared. So from here, looking at this, there's a rule that if you have a raised to power b times b raised to power b, this is equal to, in bracket, a times b, then all raised to power b. So in this case, since they have the same powers, you simply multiply the bases and then pick one of the powers. So applying the same thing right here, we have different bases but similar exponents, similar powers. So simply multiply the bases, 1 times 3, right? Then pick one of the powers, all raised to power 2. Okay, so from here, 1 times 3 is equal to 3, and all raised to power 2. So simplifying this further, we can write down 3 as 3000 plus 3, then all raised to power 2. So what we have right here is in this form, a plus b all raised to power 2. And if you have a plus b all raised to power 2, this equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is equal to 3000, while the value of b is equal to 3. So expanding this using this right here, what we then have is a squared is 3000 squared plus 2 times a is 3000, then times b is 333 plus b is 3 then all squared. So from here, 3000 squared first, 3 squared is 9, then the square of 3 zeros is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 zeros, plus 2 times 3000 is 6000. Okay, then multiply it by 3. Okay, then plus we have 3 all squared. So from here, what we are then going to do is to first of all simplify 6000 times 3. So we have 6000 multiplied by 3. Now to do so, instead of multiplying 6000 times 3, first of all just do 3, then times 6. Okay, and then the answer, then conjoin it with 3 of the zeros right here. So from here, 6 times 3 is 18. 8 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 19, then 9 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1, we have 19. So from here, then put back the 3 zeros. It becomes 0. Shows that the value of 6000 times 3 is 1998000. So this equals, we have 9 million, then plus the value of this is this 1998000, then plus we have 3 all squared. So the next thing for us to do is that we are then going to simplify the value of 3 all squared. So right here we have 3 squared. 3 squared is simply 3 times 3. Okay, now 3 times 3 9. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then the next thing is to add up everything. So we have 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write down 8, then 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 9, 27, plus 1, 28. So write down 8, then 2. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 2, 20. So write down 0, then 2. Then 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So we have 3 squared to equal 110889. So that is not all. Don't forget that the next thing for today is to add up 9 million plus 1998000 plus the answer that we got from 3 all squared. So we are going to add up 9 million, 6 zeros, okay, then plus 1998000 plus this over here, we have 110889. Shows that once we add it up, this becomes the final answer. So doing so, we have 9 million, then plus we have 1998000, then plus we have 110889. So adding this up, 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 0 plus 8 8. 0 plus 0 plus 8 8. 0 plus 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 9 plus 1, that is 10. So write down 0, then carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1, plus 9, 10, plus 1, 11. Write down 1, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10, plus 1, 11. So that means that this is the final answer. So the value of 5555 squared minus 4444 squared is equal to 1110889, and this is the final answer without pressing the calculator. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.